In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Monday.com. We'll use Zapier to connect the two apps, so updates in Notion automatically create or update items in Monday.com, saving you time and preventing manual copying. Start by going to Zapier.com and signing into your account. Make sure you're in the correct Zapier workspace for your team so you have access to the right connections and shared zaps. Once you're in the editor, begin by choosing a trigger. The trigger is what starts your automation. In the app search, type Notion, then select Notion from the list. Next, choose a trigger event. This tells Zapier what to watch for in Notion, such as a new database item or an updated database item. Pick the option that best matches your workflow. After that, connect your Notion account. Zapier will prompt you to grant access. Be sure to allow the specific pages or databases you plan to use so Zapier can find your data. Click Continue, then run a test for the trigger. Zapier will pull in a sample item from your selected Notion database. If nothing appears, double-check that there's at least one recent item in that database and that it's shared with Zapier. Now it's time to set the action. Choose Action in the Zap editor. In the app search, type Monday.com and select it. Pick the action event you want, such as creating a new item on a board or updating an existing one. This is what will happen in Monday.com every time the Notion trigger fires. Sign into your Monday.com account when Zapier asks. If you've connected it before, you can choose the existing connection. Otherwise, follow the prompts to authorize access. Click Continue to move into configuration. Configure the action by selecting the Monday.com workspace, board, and if needed, the group where new items should go. Then map fields from Notion to Monday.com columns. For example, map a Notion title to the item name, notes to a long text column, dates to a date column, and any statuses to the corresponding status column. Pay attention to field types so the data lands correctly. If you don't see a board or column you expect, refresh the fields or confirm you have permission to that board. When your mappings look good, click Test. Zapier will send a test item to Monday.com. Open your board to confirm the item appears with the right values and formatting. If something looks off, return to the field mapping and adjust. Once the test reflects exactly what you need, your Notion to Monday.com workflow is ready.